What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. So we saw a nice pump in the market with the exciting XRP news that the judge ruled it's not a security, and the alts absolutely took off. So that's a good sign, another signal that the bottom is in. We just saw a massive pump. As I've been saying for a while now, believing that the bottom is in for the market. We have a lot of signals for the case. So we're sitting at 31.2. We're up 2% on the day. See a market cap of 606 billion. 24-hour volume 26.29 billion. So we pushed up in the alternative wave 5 that we have been talking about in the videos as well as on the Discord. Now, of course, we can put in one more higher high before rolling over. If we start to lose this trend line, though, we may break down from here and start to put on our wave 2. I do believe the pullback is very near. We have a large bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame, and we have a bearish divergence on the daily time frame. So if we start to pull back from here, target zone is 26.1 to 28.1K with a minimum target of 28.9. We will look to enter another long position. If we do put in a slightly higher high, then we will adjust this target zone just a little bit. The DXY extremely oversold on the daily time frame as well as the 4-hour time frame. We broke down from a bearish pattern, descending triangle. I think it's likely we're going to see a retest, and when we see that retest, that's when we're likely to see the correction for BTC. So that's what I'm looking for. Either one more higher high, then drop, or drop from here and put in the wave 2 pullback, allow the DXY to retest this triangle. Bitcoin will come down, give us another trade opportunity before seeing continuation up into wave 3. So if you want my signals, we're currently in 3 trades as well as Forex trades. It's $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Same price as a cheeseburger with fries. Over 2,000 members. And signals analysis for crypto news, member profits, HODL, all plays Forex signals analysis daily. And basic access is free. Make sure to sign up to Bitkit. This is where I do my trading up to 8K in bonuses. All links are in the comments. Check out my full link tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.